In this class, I will be doing class 9 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. So, I am doing first chapter, set language. First chapter, set language I am doing. Already 3 exercises I have completed and this is the 4th exercise. So, third sum I will do now. If A is equal to PQRS, B is equal to MNQST and C is equal to MNPQS, then verify the associative property of union of set. So first we should know what is associative property of union of set. So what is associative property of union of set? Associative property means 3 set. So when you combine 3 set, that you will get in any order. If you are finding the union, you will get the same answer. So that is only associative property of union of set. That is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So this is associative property of union of set. So we have to prove that for the given set ABC, LHS is equal to RHS. So first we will take LHS. So LHS is equal to A union B union C. Okay, so first we will find what is B union C. So B union C is, set B is MNQST. MNQST. So this is B union C is MNPQS. So when you find the union of these two sets, we'll get, so union means when you combine the two sets, common elements you will write it only one time. So the common elements are M, N, Q, S. So these are the common elements between both the sets. So when you find the union of this M, N, Q, S, T, already M, N, Q, S we wrote. So one more thing is P. So this is B union C. Okay. Then next one is A union B union C. So this one is, set A is P, Q, R, S. So set A is P, Q, R, S. Union B union C, we found it as M, N, Q, S, T and P. So now we are asked to find A union B union C. So the common elements are Q, S. So these two are common to P. P is also common. So these 3 elements are common. So we will combine this and write P, Q, R, S, M, N, P, Q, S already we wrote. One more thing is T. So this is our A union B union C. Okay. So this is LHS part. Now RHS part. So what is RHS? RHS is A union B union C. So first I will find A union B. So what is A union B? Set A is P, Q, R, S. Union set B is M, N, Q, S, T. So now we will find the union of both the sets. So Q is common, S is common. So only these two elements are common. So P, Q, R, S, M, N. Already we wrote Q and S, T. Okay, so this is A union B. Then next one is A union B union C. So that is A union B, what and all we got? P, Q, R, S, M, N, T. Okay, union C is, set C is M, N, P, Q, S. So this is set C. So now we will add both the elements and write. So M is common, N is common, P is common, Q is common, S is common. So when we write P, Q, R, S, M, N, T. So this is RHS. So P, Q, R, S, M, N, T. So this is, so we got LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS we got. So that is nothing but A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So this is the proof. Second sum. Next sum, fourth one. Verify the associative property of intersection of sets. So this one is associative property of intersection of sets. So associative property is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So anyway, if you are finding the intersection of three sets, it will be equal. That is only associative property that we are asked to verify. Okay, so first we will take LHS. So LHS is A intersection B intersection C. So this is LHS. So first we will find B intersection C. So what is set B? Set B is root 3, root 5, 6, 13. Intersection C. C is root 2, root 3, root 5, 9. So these are set B and set C. So now we have to write the intersection, that is common elements between both the sets. So 3 is common. Root 3 is common. Root 5 is common. So these two elements are common to both the sets. So root 3, root 5. So this is B intersection C. Now A intersection B intersection C is equal to, so set A is minus 11, root 2, root 5, root 7. Okay, intersection B intersection C is root 3, root 5. So what are the common elements for this? We are asked to find the intersection. So what are the common elements? 5. Root 5 is common to both. So root 5 is the intersection of both the sides. So this is our root 5 is the LHS part. Now we will find RHS. So RHS is A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So first A intersection B is set A is minus 11, root 2, root 5, root 7. Intersection B is root 3, root 5, 6, 13. This is set B. So intersection of both the set is root 5 is common to both. So A intersection B is root 5. Then next one is A intersection B intersection C is A intersection B, what we got? Root 5 intersection C. What are the elements of C? Root 2, root 3, root 5 and 9. So what is the common between these two sets? Root 5. Root 5 is this one. So this is our RHS and this is our LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So that is, we have verified the property of intersection of, associative property of intersection of both this, intersection of sets, three sets. So A intersection B intersection C is A intersection B intersection C. So thus we have verified. Now we will do the next sum. If A is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 power n belongs to W, that is whole number, and n less than 4. So this is the condition given, some rule is given. So we are asked to find the elements from the given rule. Okay, so B is equal to, B is also given like that only. X such that X is equal to 2n, n belongs to n, that is natural numbers, and n less than or equal to 4. So these are, so when you find the value of this by substituting natural numbers and whole numbers in this with the given condition, we will get the elements of A and B. And C is equal to 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Then verify the associative property of intersection of set. So associative property of intersection of set we are asked to find out. So first we will find the set elements of A. So A is given as x such that x is equal to 2 power n, where n belongs to w. W is whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0 and n less than 4. So this is the question given. Okay. So x value, n is n belongs to w. So we will start from 0. N is equal to 0. So we will get x values as. So x are all only the elements of A. So n is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 power 0. So anything power 0 is 1. Then n is equal to, for n also one condition is given, that is less than 4. So we will take only n value as 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So 0 we have taken and n is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 power 1, that is equal to 2. Then n is equal to 2. That is x is equal to 2 power 2, that is equal to 4. Then n is equal to 3. So x is equal to 2 power 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the elements of A are A is equal to, for the given condition, for the given rule, 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the elements of A. Okay. So now we will find elements of B. B is equal to, what is the rule given? X such that x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to natural numbers and n less than or equal to 4. So n will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since it is given natural numbers, we will start from 1. So n is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Then n is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Then n is equal to 3. X is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Then n is equal to 4. X is equal to 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. So what are all the elements we will get for B? So B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are the elements of B. Okay, so these are the elements of B. So now we will find the associative property of intersection of set. Okay, so associative property of intersection of set is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so first we will take LHS. So LHS is A intersection B intersection C. First we will find B intersection C. So B is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection set C is 0, 1, 2, 5 and 6. Okay, so B intersection C is common elements between these two sets. So the common elements are 2 and 6. So B intersection C is 2, 6. So now we will find A intersection B intersection C. So set A is 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection B intersection C is 2, 6. So the value for this is, the common element for this is 2. So this is our LHS. Okay. So this is our LHS. So now we will take RHS. So RHS is A intersection B intersection C. So first we will find A intersection B. So set A is 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection B is, set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. So intersection between these two sets is 2 and 2, 4 and 8. So 2, 4, 8. Then next one is A intersection B intersection C. So A intersection B is 2, 4 and 8. Intersection set C is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. So the common element between these two sets is only 2. So 2 is the value for RHS. 2 is the value for RHS. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C is verified. That is associative property of intersection of set. Okay, so with this I am completing today's class remaining exercises. So I am completing this exercise 1.4 with this. The next exercise I will do it in the next class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.